Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The tutorial explains how to create a zoom-in effect using Canva on desktop or laptop. So, let's get started. Start by opening Canva. Click Video arrow, choose Video Landscape to create a blank project. Go to the Elements tab and search for a video, for example, mountain, city, nature. Select from the Videos category. Add the video to the canvas and resize it to fill the entire frame. To begin the zoom effect, right-click the video and select Split to divide it into sections. Place the split where you want the zoom effect to start, for example, middle of the clip. Select the second clip, then double-click it, then a blue border appears. Drag the corners outward slightly to enlarge the video. This creates the zoom-in illusion. When played, the first clip shows normal view, and the second clip appears zoomed in, mimicking a professional zoom effect. Conclusion: simple technique using split plus resize creates a smooth zoom effect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.